barabara mu bisanzwe nico kintu kiboneka kidufatanya n'Ubuyapani, ni nk'urya k'uruzogi n'umwana, ni icibutso gikomeye cyane ku migenderanire y'u Burundi n'Ubuyapani. Abashitsi twaje kubereka kuko murazi ko aribo bakoze iri barabara, tubereke iyo riva twahereye hajya kuri finance aho rihera, turaza gushika ngaha turabona aho ryacitse ubwa mbere hariya kuri tempete, hanyuma turabandanya na hano gushika aho twabonye, hanyuma twari twaje kubereka uwo mushitsi wacu n'umushitsi w'umugenzi gose akundana n'u Burundi. Mu gitondo nyene cubahiro umukuru w'igihugu yamwakiriye, baravugana, hanyuma natwe baca badutuma bati bereke bibonere ingene bimeze. Hama nico gituma rero twaciye tuza ngaha kugira ngo iri barabara turabe ingene ryokorwa. Hariho imfashanyo bemeye kandi igice kinini yakiri ngaha mu Burundi deja kiri ngaha, tuja tuvuga tuti reka tubereke kugira ngo iri barabara ikore. Murabona ko ridukenesheje kubera amazi, hama turabazana rero birabire, ntibigume mu mpapuro gusa, baze yavuye mu Buyapani arashika ngaha kugira yirabire. Ni ikimenyetso kinini cyane yuko Burundi n'Ubuyapani ari ibihugu by'ibigenzi dufashanya, kandi murabona ko yigoye akaza, yaje avuye New York, aramara umunsi wose araza gushika ejo ku mugoroba mwijoro turamwakira, nubo aravuga ati reka nje kwirabira neza ibyo bintu byari byo, kuko iri barabara kuri bo ni ikimenyetso gikomeye cyane kuri bo no kuri twebwe muri imigenderanire yacu.
When I met President Ndayishimiye in Tunis 2012, he suggested that I should visit Burundi to understand the situation better. And then he repeated that invitation when we met in Yokohama in Japan last year. And I believe that friendship between Burundi and Japan very, very important, and therefore it is my duty to come to Burundi to see the situation of the country so that we can understand the future prospects of collaboration. This morning I visited Porto Bujumbura, and I was very happy. The important facilities were already installed and improvement was made, and we are expecting that the full operation will be made soon. And also, after the conversation with His Excellency Mr. President, I have renewed my recognition of the challenges of development in this country. And so after coming back to Japan, I will have our staff to consider what we can do in the coming. I'm particularly interested to visit this site of this submersion of the road, because this boulevard of Japan is a symbol of friendship between Burundi and Japan. And unfortunately, because of the changing nature, what we didn't anticipate occurred as in terms of submersion of the road. And we would like to conduct a survey why it happened, and what sort of measures we can do in the coming months. But I realize the importance of this significant impact of the nature. Together with our colleagues in the government of Burundi, we are going to discuss what we can do together. Well, as I said, first, nothing happens unless we conduct an objective survey and investigation why it occurred and how it occurred and what measures are needed.